Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this beautiful 2013 Charger RT equipped with the Hemi engine. This car's got a lot of stuff done to it. We personally know this car. The whole engine's been rebuilt top and bottom with a high performance cam. This 5.7 liter normally pushes around 370 horsepower. With the exhaust and the stuff done, it's probably going to be somewhere in the 400 or slightly above. But let's go through it. You can see some accents here. I mean, I think the lights have been changed out. You can see the lower spoiler, the grille with the red accent. All the lights are definitely changed out here and done LED with halo, I think that's what it looks like. The wheels are definitely custom black, slotted brakes all around, front and rear, front struts, rear shocks. You can see the calipers have been capped in red, which is nice. Wind tintals are tinted all around. Front end's been completely redone. We got what else we got on here? We got some notes here. So brakes, we said. From the cap back, there is an exhaust system that's been put on the car. I think it's a Flowmaster. You got new General tires that probably have 500 miles on them, if that. So as you can see here, like, everything looks really good. Here's your front tire and wheel. Look at the rim. This is definitely custom painted gloss black. Wheels are in great condition. Look, it's got a 427 inspection sticker. Let's pull all the way back. Takes a look at this vehicle from the side view, driver's side. You can see here, it's got another spoiler here. This is blacked out here. Rear tire and wheel. You can see the drilled rotors. The wheel is black. It does have a mentioned General tire with good tread. You can see the caliper cap back there. Let's go all the way back here. Really can't see what exhaust it has, but it is an all-wheel drive. It is the RT, like I mentioned before. Look at the vehicle from the side here. Here's your passenger rear tire and wheel. You can see, again, new brakes, new tires, cap caliper. Take a look at the vehicle from the side, and we're back to the front. Let's lock the doors at this time. Doors should be locked. Okay, this should recognize it, should open now. So now we know that the actuator is working properly. Front passenger door panel, red, black, really nice. These has some inserts here. Look at the seats. That red interior is gorgeous. Look at the condition. Look at that seat, power seat, middle console, driver's side. Interior looks great. It does have the diamond cut or diamond plate look that you want to call it, inserts on the mats, which are really nice. I like that diamond cut. I'm a big fan of it. Here's your rear seat, excellent condition. Look at the back of the seats. Again, look at the mats with the diamond cut inserts. Really nice. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Let's lock the doors. Let's go to the back. It should be locked. This one should recognize it. Okay, there you go. It opens right up. The back one sometimes will unlock, but normally it won't. So you have to manually unlock it. So we manually unlocked it with the fob. Here's your rear door panel, driver's side. Excellent condition. Rear seat from the driver's side view. Really nice. Look at the back of the seats, the mats. Headliner looks really good. Let's start this up with the auto start, with the remote start. Make sure it works. And as you can see here, we got two keys. Okay, one's pretty fancy, cover matching the car. So we know it starts. Let's shut it off. Let's get inside the car. Let's confirm mileage here. So the miles, guys, it's got high miles, but again, I said that the vehicle has been completely redone. Runs phenomenal. I've driven this car several times. It does have 185,000 miles. Let's lower the radio here. Let's function all this stuff. Reverse. Let's go backup camera. Let's go phone. So you can see there's no phone connected. Well, we know. Let's put no here. Let's go to the climate. Let's go navigation first. I'm sorry. Let's go to navigation. Okay, so we can see that it's by Garmin, so it should just give it a shot to fire up. Loading. Let's wait. In the meantime, let's do the windows. Here's your driver's side front. Here's your driver's side rear. Passenger side front. Passenger side rear. I don't know why this is still loading here. Let's go to climate. So right now the AC is working, okay? But what I like to do is I like to put it on hot just to see what it does. And already it kind of slowed down a bit and is coming out hot. So we know this is working. Let's take it away from the vent. Let's put it down below. So yeah, I don't feel it from the vent. Let's go back to the vent. Let's put recirculation on. Everything is working perfectly the way it should. Left directional, right directional. Let's do mirrors. Driver side. The windows are tinted, so you can still see because it's really not that dark out. You see the mirrors are working. What else? Door locks. Very, very nice. We got some mirrors here. Make sure these things are working. The lights for the honey on the side. All right, so we got everything here. Let's rev it up. Also, guys, there's some LED work in here, so you can't really see it, but there's LED lighting that has been changed. So you really can't see it during the day, but you can only really see it at night. But again, let's rev it up one more time. That was about 3,500 RPMs. Let's get under the hood and let's listen to this engine and let's look at this engine. Okay, so here's your engine compartment. Here's your 5.7 liter Hemi. Engine sounds great. Engine bay looks fantastic. I don't see any oil leaks. I don't smell any oil. I don't hear any belts or tension noises, nothing. Okay, so once again, we got a 2013 Dodge Charger RT equipped with a Hemi. Give us a call at 201-440-1323. If you want to view specific pics of this vehicle and this video, you can view them right there at www.carconnectiononline.com. When you get to our site, if you want to get to the specifics of any car, just tap that. Just click the picture and it'll bring you to a page where you'll have 4 tabs. You'll have a tab for photos, which are photos that we put on our site that you may not see on other sites because they limit our pictures. You have a tab for video, which are videos that we put on our site you'll see videos that we provide on all the vehicles. You'll have a tab for show me the Carfax, which is a free Carfax that we also supply in all the vehicles. And you'll have a tab for apply for loan, so you can apply directly online of any vehicle of your choice. If you have any questions regarding our finance options, call us at 201-440-1323. And last but not least, we offer warranties on all the vehicles, including our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe. Thanks for viewing this video.